Grok just gifted us something that was previously only available with a paid subscription.
This 30-second consistent video was created completely for free, using a new feature of Grok AI. And this is a huge step forward in AI video creation, because now you can extend your short videos again and again, reaching a 30-second length and maintaining decent consistency. Basically, the feature works like a similar one in Veo 3. The only difference is that you don't have to pay for this at all.
But as always, there are nuances here, so let me save your time and prevent you from making common mistakes.
Right now, I will tell you what this new feature can and what it still can't do, give you some tips, explain important details, share useful prompts, show you an effective workflow, and even an alternative approach to create long and consistent AI videos using Grok.
And let's agree in advance. If you find something useful, press like and subscribe, because this channel is still fresh and your activity is extremely important. So, first of all, let me remind you how we created long videos in Grok AI before the feature was released.
The thing is, Grok only allowed us to create 6 or 10-second videos. So after it was done, we were simply copying the very last frame, pasting it as the first frame of the next video, and keeping generating. The approach was simple and effective, but the consistency of such videos was very, very bad.
This happens because Grok doesn't remember the previous video itself, so movement consistency is impossible.
You can see an example on your screen, and let's be honest, it sucks.
What the new feature actually does is make Grok remember. Here is how you can extend your videos.
First of all, go to the settings, behavior, and disable automatic video generation. This will save your limits, which is especially important if you use the free version. After this, upload some first frame image, type the prompt, and generate the first part of 6 or 10-second length. Here it is, the first segment of a long, consistent video. After this, press on the 3 dots and press Extend Video. Select the video part that you want to extend. It doesn't always have to be the entire video. Type your prompt, and Grok will generate another part of 6 or 10-second length for you.
It looks quite easy, but you will face several problems, so let me give you the solutions.
The biggest problem of the extension mode is speaking.
In short videos like this one, your characters can easily talk, but in extended videos, lip sync fails. Let's say I'm sitting here in my chair and talking for the first 6 seconds of the video. So far, so good, right? But as soon as I extend this video, the lip sync breaks and the character often starts talking nonsense. And the longer I continue this video, the worse it starts to work, causing constant artifacts.
The second big problem is unnatural seams, like the one on your screen. So most likely you will have to iterate each part of the video several times to get a decent result. But even so, you will often get quite weird behavior from your characters.
Fortunately, both problems can be partially solved. Let's start with the seams.
When extending a video, you should copy and paste the initial video prompt, then describe a new action of the characters and the behavior of the camera as detailed as possible. I use a simple formula: a character plus an action plus camera behavior plus video style. Let's try an example. Here's an image of a cinematic dragon sitting on a rock. Let's make this dragon let out a furious roar into the sky, rise into the air, and fly away. Such a composition contains several actions, so our first step is to make the dragon roar. First, we describe the character, then its actions, after this, the behavior of the camera, and finally, the video style. Once the result is decent, we can move to step 2, and make the dragon start flying. This is where the problems begin, so remember, describe every action as precisely as possible. After a few iterations, it looks not bad, so we can make it fly forward. To maintain consistency, only change the actions and camera behavior in your prompt. Keep the video style and the character's description exactly the same as in the very first piece of the video. Finally, we can extend our video even further, making the dragon keep flying for a while. This is quite complex animation, so Grok does not always follow the instructions completely. Nevertheless, the final video looks quite impressive.
As for the speaking avatars, I have an easy solution for you. Instead of creating one long video with the same camera view, you can create several videos showing the character from different angles. This video is an example of such an approach. The image becomes less boring, and your AI story is more interesting to watch. Let me show you how you can do this.
Let's be honest, the consistency of the voice and the appearance is still far from perfect. But the positive side is that such frames are very easy to create. And no, you don't need Nano Banana for this, because I came up with something better.
Instead, you can just create a starting image and use the prompts that you can see on your screen to rotate the camera around the character in the video.
You will get something like this. Or like this. Just pause the video, find a good camera angle, copy the frame, paste it into the very same Grok Imagine, and ask it to enhance the quality. That's it. You have a first frame for a short video with your talking avatar. Make your avatar speak with a simple prompt like the one you see on your screen, using different camera angles. Then merge the short videos into a single long one, and the job's done.
Don't forget to support this new channel with your like and subscription. Thank you for watching and see you next time.